This video I will show you how to make Christmas mat place. Let's go. I start with a make magic ring. And 10 and 2 chain. Make 9 double crochet in the ring. The end of the first round, make a slip stitch. Start the second round with 3 chain. Make 1 double crochet and 1 chain, 1 chain, and double crochet increase in next stitch. One chain and double crochet increase in next stitch. Repeat the third round. 3 chain, double crochet, and double crochet in next stitch. And 1 chain, double crochet increase in the first stitch here. 1, 2 in the same stitch. And double crochet. And 1 chain, double crochet increase, double crochet. Repeat the pattern. One chain. Finish the third round. I start the fourth round. 3 chain. Double crochet increase.